In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font in PowerPoint. Changing the default font can give your presentation a fresh look and make it align more closely with your personal style or brand requirements. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting or a class lecture, setting a default font can save you time by ensuring every slide has a consistent appearance. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't used PowerPoint before, it should be available in your list of programs or applications. Once you have the program running, you'll need to open the presentation in which you want to change the default font. This could be an existing file or a brand new presentation. Now focus your attention on the top part of the PowerPoint window. Notice the different tabs there? We need to navigate to the View tab next. Give that a click. The View tab is crucial because it lets you see various perspectives of your presentation and it helps us access master views, which are integral to setting universal defaults like fonts. In the View tab, there's something called a slide master. The slide master is like the control center for your presentation styles and layouts. Click on this option to open up the master slides. This action switches you to a full screen layout where you can see all the master slides on the left side of your screen. The slide master affects every slide in your presentation, so any changes made here will apply to all your slides, keeping your presentation uniform and polished. Now look at the toolbar that's appeared. There's an option labeled fonts. Click on it to bring up a menu. This menu presents you with numerous font combinations. It's where PowerPoint displays its preset font pairs for headings and body text. Feel free to browse through these options and select the one you prefer. Once you've selected a default font, PowerPoint applies it across your presentation. But remember, making this change only affects the text going forward, so if you have any existing text that you want to change, you might need to adjust it manually. Now you might wonder why this is a useful feature. By setting a default font here, you ensure that every new text box you create will use these settings automatically. This default setting can save you a lot of time, especially during extensive projects. Before wrapping up, take a moment to look over your slides to make sure everything looks the way you want. If you're happy with your changes, simply exit the Slide Master view. Your presentation is now customized with your selected default font. That's it. You've successfully changed the default font in PowerPoint, enhancing your presentation's consistency and style. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.